Here we are on day 4, and as you saw previously on day 3, which I think was about a week ago in my time, we did not get as far as I had hoped, but we did get everything that we need to fit in and on the trailer. So that worked out because it determined the actual length, and we did need about 6 more inches lengthwise to make everything work. And so what he's bringing this time is enough 3-inch square tubing to run a 3-inch strip on the front, run a 3-inch strip on the back, and that'll kind of finish it out, give us our 6 inches that we need, and hopefully everything goes great today. Today we can actually get it all welded up and on the ground on its wheels, so we can actually see its ride height and about what it's going to look like. So let's get to it. Here we are on day 492 and a half, I don't know. Long overdue for getting it on getting the tires on and getting it on the ground. Just sort of giving up guessing when that'll happen. As we move forward, we keep realizing, oh, there's this extra step, let's do that while we're upside down. Just easier to do that than laying on the ground and welding upside down. So today I think the goal is to get the stabilizing legs on and paint it, and then we'll give it the week to dry, so that hopefully next week we get it on the ground and start working up. So come along for this weird, exciting, really just fun for us. I don't know why you're watching. Ride. Yep. It's perfect. So I think roughly hanging over halfway is going to be sort of the ideal. I'll give you a nice clearance with that. Yeah, there we go. So, I mean, I can almost get a pinky in there. Yeah. Okay. So swap these out. Yeah. That'll be this one all the way. That'll be your next project, is to make a little piece in here out of some of this. I've lost track of what day it is. We're weeks into this project because we have day jobs, and I didn't unfortunately film the painting, not that that's real particularly interesting. The raw steel, we did use a etching primer, and then also by Rust-Oleum, and then we picked up some of this sort of flat or matte black acrylic enamel, and as you can see behind me, the center pieces and not everything on the inside here has been painted because it's going to be underneath the floor, and it's already powder coated red, so that's good enough for protection. And then let me kind of take you around some of the stuff that didn't get filmed. Not a whole lot, but a quick overview. Okay, it's still upside down. We haven't bolted everything back together. This has just been a week after we let everything get painted and sit up here to dry, and we'll be bolting everything back together today. What didn't make the video was these extensions on the corners. There's one on each corner and one over there, and that is so we have these leveling legs that'll bolt into it. And see if I can do this one-handed, but basically it just kind of comes out like that, locks into place. Then this can extend out. There we go. And we know this is several inches below where the tire sits. So since we don't know the ground that he's going to set up at, he's going to have to use leveling blocks anyway. So just stacking leveling blocks under each corner, and then still utilize the Harbor Freight folding tongue, but more as a disconnect, so that when it's on when it's on the ground and on all four leveling legs, you then have a rectangular Chuck Wagon base to kind of walk around and get stuff in and out of. So that's pretty much the extent of what we've done that didn't quite make video.